sure you guys hit that like button. It means the world to me. So we're gonna take a look at this device right here that I actually purchased for $105. I've actually been eyeing a BlackBerry device for really long, for quite some time now. It's been forever, and I actually was able to find a really good deal on a BlackBerry device. So right here I do have the device. We're gonna put this right off to the side, and it doesn't come with a box. It's a refurb, so it just comes with this little generic box. I do these videos without you, so make sure you show your appreciation. You know, share this with your best friends, you know, everything like that. You guys mean the world, and it's because of you I can keep doing videos just like this one. So right here you can see it does have 5 volts on here, 1 amp. So this is definitely gonna have fast charging. It has a USB, you know, a USB connector, and wow, this is gonna be a quad OLED panel. It's made by Samsung. This is the BlackBerry Priv. It actually has a slide up feature, and wow, so it's gonna have a keyboard feature right here. You can see right here there are a power button and what looks to be like, I'm not sure what buttons these are. I've never used BlackBerry, but this looks like a power button as well, and these look like volume rockers with a dedicated button. At the top we have a microphone, and you can see the aerodynamic build right here. Also, when you lift up the slider, you can see the mechanism right here is really, it just feels really easy to glide. This is my first slider phone. That feels dope. Right here you can see it does have an 18 megapixel with dual LEDs and a Schneider crest notch. I don't know if I've said that right. The BlackBerry logo. Right here you can see we do have a USB charging with a 3.5 millimeter. Let's go ahead and press this button right here. This is probably the power button, and yeah, now we have some juice. It says BlackBerry Android. Now this device I think is running on 6.1 Marshmallow, but this is a collector's item. You can see it does have that keyboard, that physical keyboard, and you can see right here it does have that carbon fiber rubbery grippy feel, and this phone feels really good in the hand. You can see that logo popping up for the very first time. I got it for $105. It's because of you guys that I can keep doing videos just like this. I appreciate every last one of you. So you can see this has to be the volume rockers, and then this might be like a dedicated button. It says Android is loading right here. You can see that's the power button. I will leave a link down below of where I got this. I've been waiting for a BlackBerry device forever. You know what I mean? Like, I've definitely been trying to see how this phone would work on Android. Now this phone does have curved glass on the top and a speaker grill right here, which I forgot to mention. So that's where the speaker grill is. Let's go ahead and press get started. So that faces up, and then boom. So now that's actually in. It says SIM network unlock pin. It's still wanting me to set this up. Okay. So you can see right here, you got to click that to get to the app tray. That actually feels super clean. That's like really clean right there. You can see you got YouTube watch dot. I'm not sure what that is. You got your voice search, visual voicemail tasks, T-Mobile, Google Apps, password keeper, notes, weather, maps, Gmail, BlackBerry, D-Tech, device search, Amazon apps, Android Pay. So this has NFC on it. Watch docs, the camera. Let's go to the camera. So we got an 18 megapixel right here. You can adjust some settings here. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Let's go to modes. You got video, photo, slow-mo, settings. You got photos, video. In video, you can actually put it up to 4K 30 or 4K 24. So that's really cool. HDR auto. Let's see if we go into video, if we can get some pro modes. Yeah, we do got this adjuster right here. You can see we can adjust, you know, the frame rate, photo quality, and everything like that. Geotag, let's turn that on. allow. So the only thing is about this device that I thought it was unlocked, but I will have to put my Metro SIM in here. Let's just play around with the keyboard. Hello, let me see. Hello, this is C Butler, I'll type. So you definitely got to get used to touching it, but I feel like I'll master this and very easily. When you see right here, it says swipe shortcuts. So quickly swipe to get access to those shortcuts. So right there, and you can see right here, we have 360 megabytes used. So we got 23 gigabytes of storage out of 32. Let's long press right here and check out some wallpapers. And so you got some cool wallpapers, but this device feels really good in the hand. We're definitely going to do a follow-up video and check out this device in some more detail. There's like this button right here in the middle that doesn't seem to, I'm not sure what that really does yet, but I'm sure you can do something with it. But yeah, this is definitely really cool right here. Tell me what you guys think down below. This device is running on 4G LTE from Metro by T-Mobile. I have my SIM card in here, and now the device is actually running with the SIM card inside for Metro by T-Mobile. So it'll work perfectly fine even though it's for T-Mobile. This way. And let's see.
The games will automatically go to this application called Game Launcher. So if you try to search for the games after you downloaded them, they won't show up.
That sounds really good. And there's no way to block that. That's really dope how they did that. How they put it right across this strip right there.
So we do have the graphics set too high for PUBG.
Let's see, you can still use the keyboard and type right here down below. And then you gotta use the Alt key to get to the exclamation point. Right there. Yo, what up, crew? Yeah, so that works dope.
So the graphics are clean as hell. There's no lag on here. There's no
so it sounds really good. The speakers are definitely acceptable. I definitely can hear some bass in there, and I definitely think that this device has a lot to offer with that keyboard for $105. So I'm going to leave a link down below to where I got this device. As always, you can see it's connected to Metro PCS. This is the T-Mobile version. I'm going to unlock this device. Well, I already did, but I'm waiting for the code so I can unlock it and use my Cricket SIM. But make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos. We're going to test out the Priv in a lot more detail. It's your boy Serrano, and if you found this video helpful, informative, or useful in any way possible to you, make sure you show your support and appreciation and hit that like button. The only thing I would have liked was a box for this, but you can't complain for a brand new device for $105. Especially since this thing was like $800, and it has that keyboard. But I hope you guys found this helpful. It's your boy Serrano, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Later, crew.